Hello! So today's problem, what is the total flight time of a projectile launched at 40 meters per second and 50 degrees? Let's find out! Before diving in to solve the problem, it is very important for us to identify which formula are we gonna use. Since the problem is finding the total flight time, what we are gonna use for today's problem is the duration of flight formula, which is time equals 2 VO sin theta over 9.8 meters per second. So as for our given, VO represents initial velocity, which is 40 meters per second, our theta 50 degrees, and our gravity, which is constant, is 9.8 meters per second. So what we are gonna show you is a step-by-step explanation for you to really understand on how to solve this kind of problem. So for step 1 is that we would input all values onto the formula. So time equals 2 parentheses inside is our initial velocity 40 meters per second, sin 50 degrees our theta, and bring down our gravity 9.8 meters per second. As for our step 2 is now we will start computing each value, in which 2 times 40 meters per second times sin 50 degrees over 9.8 meters per second. So 2 times 40 is 80, so therefore it is 80 meters per second. And then we would input in a scientific calculator is sin, open parenthesis, 50 degrees, close parenthesis, in which it will result to 0.7660444443 over 9.8 meters per second. On to our last step or fourth step is that we will multiply 80 meters per second to 0.76604443, in which it will result to 61.2835545 meters per second over our gravity 9.8 meters per second. Now, we will divide those values, in which it will result to 6.253 or 6.25 seconds. So as you have noticed, why did our units change to second is that onto our last step, we cancelled out meters per second unit, since what we are trying to find is the total flight time. So the total flight time of a projectile launched at 40 meters per second and 50 degrees is 6.253 or 6.25 seconds. That is all, and thank you for watching.